Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today we will talk about regular expressions aka regexes. Regular expressions are powerful tools for pattern matching within strings. In Python, regular expressions can be defined using the RE module. Regular expressions are like secret codes used in everyday tech stuff. They help set rules in tools like Google Docs or fix mistakes in things like email addresses and passwords on websites. These handy tools make sure things follow patterns correctly, helping developers and users with tasks like checking forms and organizing information better in the apps we use every day. There are some functions and tools that we will use and learn. Importing the RE library, the search function, and raw string. To access regular expressions in Python, you need to import the RE library, which provides functions and tools for working with regex patterns. Within the RE library, the search function is used to scan through a string and look for a specific pattern defined by a regular expression. Raw strings in Python, denoted by the prefix R, are used to interpret escape characters literally. This is particularly useful when working with regular expressions, as it allows you to write patterns without having to double escape certain characters like backslashes. Let's head to VS Code for practical examples. Now I will open a file, code org.py. Now import the RE module, import RE. Now let's define an expression. Pattern equals to quote-unquote stellar. Now let's prompt users. org equals to str input inside quotations organization colon dot lower open parenthesis close parenthesis. Match equals to re.search inside parenthesis pattern comma org. It matches the data from one variable to another. Now if match colon print quote-unquote organization colon approved, else print quote-unquote organization disapproved. Now at the end, using conditionals, the program prints either approved or disapproved. Now if I run this code, python org.py, I will type Python for instance. You can see it outputs disapproved. But if I run it again and type stellar, you can see it outputs approved. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.